Hello students, let's see question number 5 of exercise 2.6. It is find. Here we are to find the product of the given decimal numbers. In the first part we have 2 decimal 5 multiply 0 decimal 3. So first remove the decimal. So here it will be 10 and 0 decimal 3, or we can write 3 over 10. Now we will multiply the numerator. It will be 75 upon 100. Now we'll write into the decimal 2 zeros. So we'll write the decimal leaving 2 digits here, and because ones place digits are not given, so we'll put here 0 0 decimal 75. In second part, first remove the decimal. It is 1 upon 10, 51.7, so it will be 517 upon 10. Now it will be 517 upon 100. We'll multiply the numerators and denominators, and now we'll write into the decimal, so it will be 5.17. We'll leave 2 digits and then put the decimal. From right to left we will leave 2 digits. Now in third part we have 0.2. It will be 2 upon 10, 316.8, so it will be 3168 upon 10, and it will be equal to 6336 over 100, and in decimal we will write it 63.36. Okay. Now fourth part, it is 1 decimal 3 multiply 3 decimal 1. Remove the decimal. 13 31s are, it is 403 upon 10 10s are 100. Leave the last 2 digits and put decimal, so it is 4.03. So as many zeros are in the denominator, that many digits we will leave from right side, and then we will put the decimal. Now it is 5 upon 10 multiply 5 upon 100, so it is 25 upon 1000. So here 3 zeros are in the denominator, so we are to leave the 3 digits, but here we are given 2 digits, so we'll put 1 0 and then decimal, so it is 0.025. Now sixth part, it is 112 upon 10, 15 upon 100. So when we will multiply, we will get here, so we'll get here 1680 upon 1000, and in decimal we will write it as, here 0 0 we can cancel, and in decimal it will be 1.68. Now let's see seventh part. It is 1.07 multiply 0.02. By removing decimal we will write here upon 100, and here 2 upon 100. Now multiply 107 by 2, we will get here 214 upon 10,000. 100 into 100, it will be 10,000. So 4 zeros are there, so we'll put the decimal leaving 4 digits. So we have 3, we'll put 1 0. Now we have 4 digits and put decimal, and 0, so it is 0.0214. Now in 8th part we have 10.05. So by removing we'll write here upon 100 1.05, 2 digits after decimal, so we'll put 2 zeros in the denominator, so it is 100. And now we will multiply 1005 by 105. We will get here 1,05,525 upon 100 into 100, 10,000. Now because there are 4 zeros in the denominator, so we'll put the decimal leaving 4 digits, so it will be decimal 5525 and 10, so it is 10.5525. Now ninth part, it is given 101.01 multiply 0.01. So first we will remove decimal and write upon 100, here 0.01, or we can write it 1 upon 100. So here when we will multiply, it will be same as 10,101 upon 10,000. 100 into 100, 10,000. Now leave 4 digits, and here will be the decimal, so we have answer 1.0101. Now in 10th part we have 100.01, So by removing, we will write here 10,001 upon 100. 1 decimal 1, it will be 11 upon 10. Now multiply this 10,001 by 11. We will get here 1,10,011, and upon 100 into 10, that is 1000. Now leaving 3 digits, we will put decimal. So it's 011. Now we will write 110. So we have the answer 110 decimal 011. So this was the solution of question number 5.